This is the proLite Alluvium power chair. Crafted with aerospace-grade aluminium and fitted with a future-proof lithium-ion battery, this super light power chair pairs comfort with style. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminium and fitted with a future-proof lithium-ion battery, this super lightweight power chair pairs comfort with style. The proLite Alluvium's stripped-back design has everything you need and nothing you don't. With a frame forged from aerospace aluminium for a lighter carry weight, it offers impressive control, comfort and strength. This lightweight power chair is a contemporary combination of indoor manoeuvrability and portable convenience. The Alluvium uses a remarkably simple push-pull folding frame, transforming the power chair into a compact size for easy stowage, ideal for hopping on and off public transport or sliding into a car boot. It also suits those who don't want to deal with awkwardly disassembling a bigger power chair. The backrest's push bar doubles as a handle when the Alluvium is folded, helpful for wheeling through busy train stations and airports. With a total weight of 23.1 kilos, this power chair's aluminium frame is strong and solid, yet easy to control. The battery and seat padding can be removed to reduce the weight to just 19.5 kilos for storage and transportation. And the compact turning circle means dealing with busy spaces, narrow corridors and tight doorways is a doddle. The airline-safe lithium-ion batteries charge faster, last longer and are more lightweight than standard power chair and scooter batteries. With a range of 15 miles on an overnight charge, you'll spend less time charging and more time on the move. The Alluvium keeps you comfortable over every mile of its 15-mile range. The removable seat padding is breathable and contoured for superior pressure relief, so longer journeys won't be a chore. The addition of suspension on the front casters stops vibrations from travelling through the frame and into your body, leaving you free from aches and pains when you reach your destination. And the larger rear wheels are fitted with flip-away anti-rollback wheels for extra safety on steeper gradients. The proLite Alluvium power chair is finished in a scratch-resistant metallic silver that stands up to everyday use. The proLite Alluvium power chair, part of the wider range of power chairs from CareCo. For more information, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.